Selecting the best welding machine is essential for achieving precise and high-quality welds in various applications. Whether you are a professional welder or a DIY enthusiast, having the right welding equipment can make all the difference. In this era of technological advancement, the market offers a wide range of welding machines, each catering to specific needs and preferences. To help you make an informed choice, we'll explore the top welding machines available, considering factors such as welding process, power source, and durability, ensuring you can select the ideal machine for your welding projects. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best welding machines available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user review before creating the welding machines list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the welding machines mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Inverter Pulse 250A MIG Welding Machine. Introducing the Inverter Pulse Single-Phase 250A MIG Welding Machine, a versatile and multifunctional welding solution that covers a wide range of welding needs. This cutting-edge welding machine offers an array of capabilities, including MIG, TIG, and MMA welding functions. It excels in gas MIG and stainless steel welding with its synergic MIG feature, and also offers a gasless MIG option for iron welding. The lift TIG function ensures precise stainless steel welding, while the arc welding function is ideal for iron welding applications. With certifications such as CE and its origin in mainland China, this welding machine is designed to deliver high-quality welds in stainless steel and iron steel materials, making it a valuable addition to any welding toolkit. Number 4. ANDELI 220V AC DC TIG Welding Machine. Introducing the ANDELI 220V AC DC TIG Welding Machine, a versatile 3-in-1 welding powerhouse that's perfect for a wide range of applications. This welding machine offers a multitude of functions, including MMA welding, lift TIG, HF TIG, and pulse TIG capabilities, making it a highly adaptable tool for welding enthusiasts and professionals. With a model number TIG 250AC DC and proudly bearing the ANDELI brand name, you can trust in its quality. It comes with CE certification and originates from mainland China, assuring you of its reliability and performance standards. The 220V voltage rating ensures compatibility in various settings, making it an ideal choice for aluminum welding and more. Number 3. HITBOX Semi-Automatic Welding Machine. Discover the HITBOX Semi-Automatic Welding Machine, a versatile 4-in-1 inverter welder designed to elevate your welding capabilities. This powerhouse, with model number SYN MIG200 Pro, boasts digital control technology, ensuring precise welds with ease. With multifunctionality at its core, it excels in gas MIG, whether you're working with aluminum, stainless steel, or iron materials. Its gasless MIG option provides flexibility for iron welding. The lift TIG and arc welding functions further extend its utility. With CE certification and its origin in mainland China, it embodies quality and reliability. At a compact size of 425,183,290 mm and 220V compatibility, this welding machine is your ideal partner for a variety of welding projects, making it an excellent choice for welding aluminum, stainless steel, and iron steel with precision and efficiency. Number 2. Ultrasonic Plastic Welding Machine. The Ultrasonic Plastic Welding Machine by RBAY is a powerful and versatile tool for precision plastic welding. Operating at 700 W, it effortlessly handles materials like ABS, PP, PE, PC, UC, PMMA, PS, PPS, PBT, and PETG. With compatibility for both AC 110V and 220V, this welding equipment ensures flexibility in various settings. Its compact dimensions of 275,210,150 mm make it highly portable, while the lightweight design at 6 kg further enhances its portability. With a max welding thickness of 15 mm and a rated duty cycle of 28 kHz, it delivers efficient and reliable results. CE certified and originating from mainland China, this ultrasonic spot welder embodies quality and precision in plastic welding, making it an indispensable addition to your toolkit. Number 1. HZXVOGEN 5-in-1 Gasless Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN 5-in-1 Gasless/Gas MIG ARC/MMA TIG HBM 2280 is a versatile welding machine designed for professionals and welding enthusiasts. This powerhouse supports MIG, TIG, and arc welding, making it a 5-in-1 solution for a wide range of applications. With a compact and portable design, it measures 425,183,290 mm and weighs 17 kg. This welding machine boasts a wide wire feeding speed range of 3 to 18 mm, providing flexibility in your welding projects. It operates at various input powers, with MIG at 5.7 kW, TIG at 4.37 kW, and MMA at 6.3 kW, ensuring efficient welding. The VRD, IGBT, and smart chips make it a smart choice for aluminum, iron, stainless steel, and carbon steel welding, while the synergic functionality ensures precise welds. With CE certification and originating from mainland China, this welding tool guarantees quality and performance. Whether you're working on iron sheets or welding aluminum sheets, this welding machine is your ideal companion, offering reliability, efficiency, and versatility. In conclusion, the world of welding machines offers a diverse range of options to cater to the unique needs of welders, both professionals and enthusiasts. The best welding machines combine versatility, precision, and reliability, enabling users to tackle a wide variety of welding projects with ease. From inverter welders to multifunctional powerhouses, the choices are vast. Making an informed decision based on your specific requirements ensures that you have the right tool to deliver high-quality welds.